Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gelato at home without egg. First, combine 2 cups of whole milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 3/4 cup of sugar in a saucepan. Gently heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Then, stir in 1 teaspoon of your favorite flavor extract, such as vanilla, for that perfect taste. Once your base is ready, it's crucial to chill it thoroughly. Transfer the mixture to a covered container and refrigerate for a minimum of 4 hours, or even overnight, until it's very cold. Next, make sure your ice cream maker bowl is completely frozen. Pour the chilled base into the machine and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions, typically for 20 to 30 minutes, until it reaches a soft serve consistency. After churning, your gelato will be soft, similar to a soft-serve ice cream. For a firmer, more traditional gelato texture, transfer it to an airtight container. Place the container in your freezer for 2 to 4 hours. This allows it to firm up beautifully. When ready, scoop and enjoy your delicious homemade egg-free gelato. It's perfect for a refreshing treat. Here are a few tips for the best experience. For optimal flavor and texture, try to enjoy your homemade gelato within 3 days. You can also experiment with different flavor extracts or even fruit purees to create endless variations. And speaking of enhancing your home, check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to bring your space to life. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.